To successfully decorate your windows with Christmas lights indoors, first, measure the window edges to determine the correct size and quantity of lights needed, and ensure a power outlet is nearby, unless using battery-operated LEDs, which offer a cleaner look and pose less of a fire hazard. When selecting lights, mini lights are recommended for better outlining, or you can choose from various types like wide-angle or RGB LEDs for different aesthetics. It is also important to match the wire color of the lights to your window woodwork for a more subtle display, and always test that all lights and cords are functioning properly before installation, discarding any frayed or damaged cords for safety. For hanging, use plastic stick-on clips on the outside of the window frame spaced 2 to 3 inches apart on the top and sides, allowing them to set for at least an hour before carefully sliding the light wires into the clips. Finally, you can enhance the display by adding supplementary decorations like battery-operated candles or garlands to the windowsill.